Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. You need clear access, basic tools, and a safe workspace. Lift the car on stands, drain old oil if necessary, and disconnect the battery. This prevents shorts. Once done, inspect the engine bay for leaks and smell for fuel. Make sure belts and hoses are intact. Label disconnected wires and fasteners so reassembly is faster. This prevents wasted time and sets up a controlled repair flow. You now move into detailed diagnostics and the meat of the repair. Start with electricals, test charging and starter voltages, because many symptoms trace to power. If the engine misfires, do compression and spark checks to isolate valves, rings, or ignition faults. Once you identify the bad part, remove, clean, and replace with correct torque values. For brakes and suspension, swap worn components, clean mounting surfaces, and use fresh fluid. Make sure to document torque specs and clearances during reassembly. You complete the job by methodically reassembling and validating performance. Tighten fasteners to spec, refill fluids, and reconnect the battery. Start the engine, watch gauges for normal oil pressure and temperature, and perform a careful road test. Accelerate, brake, and listen for abnormal noises, so you confirm repairs under real conditions. If an issue returns, check grounds, vacuum lines, and scan for ECU codes. Make sure connectors are clean and secure. One key troubleshooting tip: intermittent faults.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.